getting tight sila. Sino ba ang upo sa gitna? Sino ba daw? Nagkakahiya pa si Ian, si Richard, tsaka si Daniel, pero nagbigay pugay sila. Kay Kuya. Kay Kuya Ian. Sige, Baron, just to address the fans, message mo sa kanila.
Maraming salamat for being here. Excited din kami makita kayo. And let's all have fun sa, FanCon natin. And please, sa lahat ng mga nandito, panoorin niyo talaga itong Incognito dahil pinaghirapan po namin itong lahat. Solid to para sa inyo. Love you!
Alright, thank you so much, Baron. Guys, next up, Kyla Estrada in the house. Good evening, everybody. Maraming salamat. Thank you for taking the time to be with us today. Mag-enjoy rin tayo tonight. At syempre, sobrang excited na kami na mapanood ninyo ang Incognito. So maraming salamat.
Thank you, Kyla. Now, give it up for Anthony Jennings. Anthony.
Good evening po sa lahat ng pumunta dito. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo ninyo. And of course, sobrang excited na ako na mapanood ng show. Sana ma-appreciate nyo guys.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Anthony Jennings. Next up, Maurice Rocco! Hello, everyone! Kumusta kayo lahat? Ang dami nyo. Thank you so much for coming tonight. Excited na ba kayo sa Incognito? Kami rin, super. Mag-enjoy lang tayo tonight. And thank you so much for coming. Love you guys.
Thank you, Maurice. Now, palakpakan naman po natin, Richard Gutierrez.
Hi everyone, maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagdala dito sa FanCon Incognito. Mag-enjoy tayo ngayong gabi at sana po abangan ninyo Incognito, malapit na.
Thank you, Richard.
Next up, we have Daniel Padilla!
Hello, magandang po sa inyo lahat and Happy New Year. Ito na po ang Incognito, ilang araw na lang. Sana po supportahan ninyong lahat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Daniel Padilla, and of course, last but not the least, Ian Veneracion!
Hello everyone, it's wonderful to be here. Thank you for coming and sana abangan niyo talaga yung Incognito July 17 kasi I'm sure mag-enjoy kayo as much as kami nag-enjoy gawin yung show.
Alright, maraming salamat po for your initial, bating panimula, opening remarks ng ating kasang Incognito. Pero ladies and gents, magre-request na po kami. Would it be okay to stand up about face for a group photo op with our fans?
Yes. With our fans, syempre guys, gusto mo kasama po kayo, so mag-post po kayo. Makita nyo yung mga posters ninyo. Ayan. We would also like to ask, yung ilaw po, pwede mo i-off against the light po kasi.
Yeah, thank you.
Ayan. Thank you so much. Again, the cast of Incognito. Ayan.
Makikita po natin yan sa social media and i-repost po ninyo Gamitin po natin ang hashtag at syempre, let us spread the word about Incognito.
Yes, once again, our hashtag for the day is hashtag Incognito FanCon 2025. And ngayon, syempre, we are having our second segment for the night of Q&A portion natin. Of course, Bontrax, we have a set of questions for you guys from your fans. Kaya naman, ito na. This first set of questions is for everyone in the cast.
Yan, okay. From me, from Fans Club po ng DJ Forever, Anthony, we'll start with you. Can you think of one word that would describe the bond? Can you think of one word that would describe the bond that you have sa Incognito team? One word that would describe the bond that you guys have a cast.
Curling. Kulot.
Kulot. Parang buhok ni Anthony. Kulot.
Para si Anthony. Kulot.
Para si Anthony. Okay, Maurice, go ahead. One word to describe your bond with the Incognito team. Tight. Tight. Okay. Mr. Daniel Padilla.
Family sana. Pamilya.
Yeah.
Okay, Ian.
Di Matiba. Richard?
Solid.
Solid.
Kyla. Strong.
Byron?
Comrades!
Comrades! Na talaga, no, blood is thicker than water, but comrades.
Oo, pag contracts talaga. Blood is
Yes.
thicker than water. Okay, next naman, we have another question from DJP Armies from Joanna. Goals you want to achieve this 2025? Anthony? Yes.
Sige, kayo muna. What to achieve
Yes.
ngayong taon?
Ano gusto mo i-achieve, Anthony?
Kahit isa lang.
Gusto mo maayos na kalagayan lang, healthy lang.
Yes.
Healthy.
Healthy. Okay, Maurice? To be stronger. Be stronger.
Daniel? Goals that you want to achieve, kahit top of mind goal.
Siguro yung magawa at matapos namin ng maigi itong ginagawa namin show na Incognito. And for me, my goal now is to make music again. So, yun lang.
Okay, next naman. Ian?
Ako siguro to have a higher quality of connection with everyone I meet, family and strangers as well.
Thank you, Richard.
Sa akin siguro, world peace.
Totoo, legit.
Hindi, yun nga, magawa namin na maayos sa Incognito, maging successful na Incognito sa lahat ng mga kaya namin. At be closer with my family.
Thank you, Kyla.
Ako siguro growth in all aspects of my life. Growing in career, in everything that I have experienced, and to nurture it and to continue to grow throughout the year. And as well as to be healthy also, to be more proactive with taking care of my health.
Thank you, Kyla. Byron?
My goal is to be more dependable as a father, as a husband, also as a craft ko sa aking career, and to have meaningful, purposeful relationships, not only with my peers, but the people that I will meet in 2025. So I also want to strengthen my faith with the Lord. So I believe that this 2025 is going to be a really good one for all of us, for everyone. That's my prayer.
Amen. Maraming salamat.
I love yung mga New Year's goals na we can manifest it with them, di ba? Manifest natin for them.
Sabi nga nila, pag manifest daw, kapag nasa isip mo, wala pa siya sa world. Pero kapag i-manifest mo siya, i-verbalize mo siya, nasa mundo na siya at mangyayari siya.
Exactly. Kaya verbalize na nila. I love and Happy New Year, Contras!
Happy New Year!
Tama si Anthony, Happy New Year. Okay.
Okay, para kay Daniel. From Daniel Listas. What is the most, Daniel Listas, rather, what is the most challenging and most fun part of your show?
Challenging siyempre, it's an action show. Kaya medyo challenging lahat, medyo physical. Yun yung challenging part. Ano nga ba isa? Fun?
Most fun.
At the same time, fun din yun. Lalo na pag nagagawa niya ng tama, pag kami lahat magkakasama sa eksena, tapos execute namin ng solid, doon lumalabas yung kasiyahan. Sobrang laughter.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. From Menchi Salazar from DJP, Significant Minds, Ayana.
Alright, so syempre, Menchi wants to know, ano ba yung mga learnings na nag-gain mo, Daniel, in this teleserye, Incognito, and how did it affect you and your growth as an actor? It's giving Mr. World. Ganun yung natanong nila.
Si Tito Ian na daw ang sasagot para.
Ito si Tita Menchi, Daniel. Tita Menchi.
Yes. Then growth, ito, di ba, wala na, lumabas ka sa comfort zone mo, di ba? Isa na yun, tsaka, yun muna.
Hey,
Text ko na lang sa'yo, man.
text na lang daw, Tita. Okay, mula naman sa fans club ng Veneracion para po syempre kay Sir Ian Veneracion. Ano po ang pinakagusto mo sa character mo bilang Greg Paterno na hindi mo nagawa sa iyong mga previous projects?
No, because I've been doing action movies ever since, and nag-enjoy talaga ako sa fight scenes, gunfights, and fist fights. Tapos, ito, I have a chance to showcase that, and I'm working with really a production who specializes in action, and magagaling yung stuntman, and yun, yung director namin, si Direk Lester, who's a martial artist. Ang dali, saka.
Ay, maraming salamat. Ngayon naman for Maris. For Maris from Rogen, from Maris Stellers Official. How does it feel na finally nakapag-action genre ka na?
Grabe, super exciting. Sobrang happy ko na naging part ako ng Incognito. Kasi ako, my whole life, siguro hindi ko akalain na magiging part ako ng action series. So to be part of this, it's very surreal. So this is like a chance for me to showcase my other skills na hindi ko alam na meron pala ako. So yeah, abangan nila mga baril-baril.
Bang bang!
Bang bang, I love it! But of course, in line with the question from Rogen,
yes.
We also have a question from Kathy from Maris Stellers Official. Siyempre, kilala natin si Maris. It's napakakalog, funny, di ba? Ngayon naman, action. So, besides the action side of your character, what else are you most excited for that your character brings?
Excited ako sa mga dahil my character here is actually a spy. So, she shapeshifts, she changes her appearance, she speaks so many languages. So, excited ako gawin yung mga eksena na yun and to infiltrate groups for the sake of our mission.
Oh my gosh, medyo curious na ako. Did you take language classes?
There's one nag-aral ako on the spot. I had to talk to a bunch of very nice Italians. So, tinuruan nila ako magsalita ng Italian. So, buong eksena ko sa Italy, naka-Italian lang.
May basic Italian ba dyan na nakalala mo?
What? Sorry?
What? Next time na.
Next time na.
Nakalimutan ko din.
Sa Incognito na lang, doon na lang abangan. Okay, para naman kay Anthony from Mary Ann Javier, what lesson have you learned from working with the other casts of Incognito?
Marami naman. Mostly ito mga natutunan ko nila Sir Passion, kay Sir Bench. Yun yung mga instructor namin sa tactical training. Maraming lessons. Kasi syempre hindi naman natututunan ng isang ganun. Parang SWAT team talaga yung ginagawa ko.
SWAT team?
Oo, parang kaming police na nire-rate na mga. So, hindi siya ganun talaga. Mahirap talaga. May mga tama ka ng airsoft balas. Ako lagi tinatamaan.
Ikaw ang target. Paborito ka. Sabi nga ni Daniel, di ba, physical? Physical talaga.
Tsaka, pero masaya kasi natututunan mo siya na kumuha pa rin siya. Feeling ko kaya pa rin siya gamitin ito. If ever lang naman. Ay, depende sa akin sa rin.
Hey, kasama ka, Anthony, isa.
Masinto ka.
Charot. Okay. So, syempre, Anthony, you talked about yung mga learnings na natutunan mo dito sa show. Could you also talk to us about, on a scale of 1 to 10, ito, galing kay Julia Nicole, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yung growth mo as an actor dito sa Incognito? And why? O, di ba may and why?
Mga 8 out of 10. Mga 8.
Mga 8?
Mga 8.
Okay.
Bakit 8?
Kasi siyempre, big show siya. So, ang dami namin ginawa. Maraming stunts. Ang daming... First time ko makapasok sa napakalaking show talaga. So, yun lang 8 out of 10. Marami pa akong matututunan in the future.
Yes, I love it.
Thank you, Anthony. Ngayon naman for Richard from Mega Villanea. Richard, what makes your role as Jose Bonifacio different from your previous action roles?
What makes him different? Well, every character that you try to portray, it's different persona that you're portraying as an actor. It's the first time na I'm playing actually a military man. I'm very goal-oriented, very driven. And basta iba yung character. Compared, especially to Ironheart. Mas may gray area yung character ni Jose Bonifacio.
Follow-up question, Richard. Ano naman ang pinaka-challenging experience while doing this project?
Challenging, pinaka-challenging. Pero mahirap kasi pumili ng isang particular moment na challenging kasi maraming challenges na nangyayari. Especially na you're doing an action series. Pero siguro isa sa mga challenges namin, siguro as a group, was our first big action scene, I think, in Palawan. Kung saan bumabagyo, signal number 1 or 2 yata yun. Tapos it's our first action scene as a group. Challenging siya, physically draining. Pero I think nagawa namin ng maayos, nagawa namin ng maayos group. And I think that solidified the group as well after.
Thank you, Richard.
Alright, next up we have 2 questions for Mr. Baron Geisler from Thomas. Okay, so first question is, we would like to know, you have taken on so many roles as an artist or as an actor. What would you say is the most different role or the most different thing or challenging thing about your role dito po sa Incognito?
Una, I just want to say that I'm very grateful to Star Creatives and Studio 360 and to the cast for giving me this opportunity to, be working with the best of the best. The most challenging, I think, is magandami. My character kasi I play sniper, surgeon, doctor, so very intelligent and precise in character. Yung mga characters ko before, puro mga nasa pow! Mga nasa, mga bad guys. So, I'm just grateful na nabigyan ako ng opportunity to become one of the good guys naman this time. And nadadala ko siya. Nadadala ko yung pagiging good guy. And yung para sa character ko naman si Miguel Texo, ang pinaka-main goal niya dito is to be very dependable. Kasi meron siya may backstory to eh, may mga pagkukulang siya sa abangan nila. Abangan.
Ay, ang New Year's resolution or New Year goal niya is to be dependable.
Oo.
From the character.
At sabi nga ni Baron, kumbaga yung character na dito, nadadala niya, IRL or in real life.
IRL, in real life.
In real life. Sunod na kami, Baron, siguro from the most challenging favorite scene without, mentioning any spoilers. Favorite scene mo siguro, parang kahit pa-clue-clue na.
Marami eh. Okay. Palawan. Group. Italy. Kyla.
Okay, para siya rates pa na yan. Na syllable.
Sobrang galing ni Kyla Estrada dito. Sobrang. Basta siya. Kaya palagpagan natin si Kyla, guys. Basta siya, diba, medyo may edad na rin ako, pero working with someone very young, yet very passionate. Umiyak ako sa eksena namin, nagdala na ako. Talagang,
personally, parang revelation for you. Kyla Estrada.
we all know naman that Kyla
Yes.
is a very good actress.
Yes.
Dependable. Pero yung working with her na harap-harapan sa ibang country with different, with foreign actors, and then sobrang big scene. Wow. Natulungan niya ako para ma-bring out yung best din sa character ni Miguel. Yes.
Alright, thank you, Baron. And speaking of Kyla, these questions are for you. Okay.
Alright, so first, Ate Kai, first of all, ang ganda ng glasses mo.
Yes.
Bagay na bagay.
Not just the bangs. I love it.
It's the bangs, the micro bangs. But so first, Kyla, you also went through a lot of roles. Could you tell us what was the most challenging or interesting part about your character here in Incognito?
Well, first, I'm super excited kasi simula nung nag-start ako sa showbiz, I've always said na yung dream genre ko is really action. action. So I'm so happy kasi feeling ko talaga I was able to manifest it. So it's really just a dream come true for me to be in Incognito. I feel like the character in itself and just being a part of Incognito is already so different. Like I said, it's action. It's also my first time like released to do action. Kaya personality, yung skills, talagang sobrang iba from anything that I've ever done. Kaya I feel like nagtitraining pa lang kaming lahat. I've already grown. Hindi pa kami nagsisimulang mag-taping. Ang dami ko nang natutunan. So yeah, super happy to be a part of this project and it's really, really very different.
Ito Kyla, maiba lang. If Max Alvero had a playlist, if meron daw playlist si Max Alvero, ano daw ang kanyang top song?
Taylor Swift.
For Max Alvero, siguro it would be a mix of folk and hyperpop, like maybe Charlie XCX. So I feel like very current din yung taste ni Max.
I love it.